A free farm day took place today. More than 15 Ventura County growers and the historic Oxnard Farm Park welcomed the public today. Students for Eco-Education and Agriculture, known as CEAG, hosted the event for the 12th year today. Students and families from up and down the coast had a chance to see some of the farms that feed us.
I just think it kind of shows people like what farming is about, and like people who don't know things about it, just gives them a chance to learn.
What do you like about it?
I like that I get to see like different parts of like the farm world.
We have a lima bean slideshow inside the office area. We're selling local history books, and we're talking about our site and how we're raising money to restore the house, which we're starting next year.
Master gardeners also took part and gave out advice to people growing their own food. Farm Day sponsors include Duda Farm Fresh Foods, Driscoll's, and Ag West, just to name a few. And we'll post a link to more information on our mobile app and website.